Hello guys, my name is Kelvin Gomez and I am a student at Florida International University, and this is my project for Introduction to Digital Signal Processing, Signal Sampling and Quantization. Signal sampling. Signal sampling is the reduction of a continuous signal to a discrete signal. An example of this is a conversion of a sound wave to a sequence of a sample. Quantization. Quantization is the procedure of constraining something from a continuous set of values to a relatively small discrete set. For this project, I'm going to generate a voltage output from a board car, and I'm going to quantize that. And for this, I'm going to use two tools: LabVIEW, which is a visual software program developed by National Instruments, and a PCI 4461, which is a data acquisition card. As we can see, that this data acquisition card has 4 channels. The first 2 are the output, which will be the ones that are going to generate the voltage, and the last 2 will be the input, which are the ones who are going to read that signal and is going to be quantized using LabVIEW. This is the program that I was able to change some components and in order to generate that voltage. As we can see, the physical channel will be A0, which is output, and the range will be from negative 10 volts to positive 10 volts. This is the diagram for the voltage generator of the PCI 4461, and this is the voltage reader, which is going to read that voltage output of the PCI 4461 card and is going to quantize that signal. Once again, it still is from the device 1, which is the board, and is going to be AI0, which is the input channel, and it goes from negative 10 volts to 10 volts as well. This is the diagram of the reader program, and as we can see in that while loop that we have in that analog 1D waveform and N-channel N-sum, that on the top part to your right, it's where it says measurement. In the properties of that option, I'm able to modify it and quantize that signal. And these are the results that I come up with. As we can see, I'm providing a sine wave at 1000 Hz of an amplitude of 5 volts, which is the voltage generator, and the voltage reader, it reads that signal and quantizes that signal, the same amplitude and same frequency. Thank you. This was my project for Introduction to Digital Signal Processing.